I had high blood pressure. I had no energy. All day I was tired. And also my feet, my legs were always tired. I learned how to eat. I educated my brain and also my stomach what to eat, what is good for me, what is good for my health. Now I have more energy and I feel much better. First of all, I had a lot more energy. My blood pressure is down now, and I don't get tired easily. Yeah, I lost 22 pounds.
There's quite a few of them, but mainly it was my health. It was my sugar level. It was high.
Mhm.
It was always out of control, and also my energy as well. After burning all the the energy that I had, I was always tired, and I would say my mood too. I was always in a bad mood because of my sugar levels was out of control. So that I guess was yeah. So
Sí.
yeah, so yeah, it was one of those big issues that I had, and then also my vision improved after that too. Like my wife says, I learned how to eat. I learned how to eat, and then also I learned to have love for vegetables and salad. I mean, now I'm to the point that I gotta have my salad every day. I mean, I can't have lunch or dinner without a salad. So I think I learned how to appreciate the food better, not just eating by eating, but mainly eating because my body needs the good food, not the something that just gets me filled up for the day or for the week. It has improved pretty much my eating habits, and then also not to depend on medication because like I was saying before, it's been about like I would say a month that I haven't really taken my diabetes medication, and I haven't really needed it. How long did you take it before? I was off and on. I would say probably like 6 7 years. I used to eat for breakfast Vegos, cereal, ham and cheese, you name it, whatever's available. I don't really have a discipline on eating for breakfast. Sometimes oatmeal or pretty much whatever was on the shelf. It's not like I can look at the because I used to eat a lot of Mexican bread before. Now I can look at it and I don't even interested in it anymore. There's this nice conchas breads that I don't even crave for it anymore. I don't even crave for cheesecakes. Yeah, cheesecake used to be my one of my top favorite desserts, and I don't really do that anymore. I looked at it and like it's okay. I don't need it. Donuts. I used to eat a lot of donuts too. And I don't crave for any of those sugars either. So for God, the Lord, yeah, He's the one who gave me the strength. The strength.